Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning. Well, late morning. But the sun came out finally. It decided that it's going to be nice and sunny. And Tapanch and I are going just on a little walk. So you know she's older, so we cannot do long walks with her. But she was really excited to get out a little bit. So we're gonna enjoy this beautiful morning and take a little walk in the forest road. Even if dogs are older, like Tapanch, it's important to try to get them out, even for short walks, to kind of stimulate their senses. So I just have to watch for her. If she starts to pull her leg a little bit, then I know she's getting tired. We can do about a third to half a mile, depending on how she feels. It's nice to see all the green, all the beautiful trees around. Just good to get out to nature every time you can, even just for a little bit. Breathe in that fresh air, smell the forest, listen to the birds, and make a puppy happy, of course. It's just nice to see all the little spring berries, the little flowers coming up in a forest floor. What do you think, Tapanch? Come on, Tapanch. We are getting close to the road, so we're gonna turn around and walk the other direction a little bit. And she did give me a look. I'm not ready to go home. We don't have to go home yet, Tapanch, but we just don't want to go out toward the main road. We want to stay in the forest. As you can see, she's very excited. She's smelling every little thing she can, because it's been a few days since we've been able to get out. It's been raining pretty heavily, which I'm very grateful for the rain, because we do need the rain to keep this forest as beautiful as it is. We're not going to go into the deep forest. Come on, Tapanch. Just going to stay in the road. We cannot do deep forest walks anymore. Just if there's a trail. She's like, but I'm ready. I'm ready to go into the deep forest. Here she's starting to drag her feet a little bit. So just in a few minutes we're gonna turn around and head back home. She wants to go, but she doesn't realize how tired she gets, and then she hurts herself. So we're just probably gonna go a few more minutes in the walk here and then turn around and head back. But I highly recommend for everybody, even if you're tired, force yourself just to get out and see the beautiful morning, the beautiful forest. If you have a puppy, take him for a walk. Or kids and family, of course, take him for a walk too. It just really makes a huge difference to come out any place where there's nature and just spend a little time. The trees help us breathe better. They create the oxygen for us. And they breathe on what we breathe out, carbon dioxide, which is, I think, is just an amazing cycle of life. Thank you so much for being here with me this morning and taking this nature walk with me and Tapanch, who is now behind the fern. What are you doing, boy, girl? Hi, is it exciting? I'm also creating these little videos for myself because Tapanch is close to 14 years old and I'm not sure how long she's going to be with me, and I want to create some recent memories, like her getting tangled in a berry bush. Are we getting out from the berry bush? What's happening, Tapanch? You get stuck? Come on. There you go. Okay. And now she decided to turn around. So for sure now we are heading back home. Thank you so much for being here this morning and spending this 9 to 10 minutes with us in this morning walk. Hope to see you next time. Until I see you next time, Gabriella signing off, and may your day be joyful, beautiful as always, and take time in nature whenever you can.